In this module, we are going to see what a maintenance plan is. Now, the management of water and sanitation services requires the use of a certain number of assets. It is therefore important to be able to maintain them in good condition in order to guarantee a satisfactory service. Now, this is the role of a maintenance plan. Now, what is a maintenance plan and how is it implemented? Let's firstly remind ourselves of what maintenance is. Well, it's a set of operations carried out with the objective of maintaining an asset or a set of assets in a normal state of operation. The maintenance plan is a document which is generally presented in the form of a table in which all of the maintenance tasks are listed. Now, for every activity on the maintenance plan, known as a range, we indicate the asset or the set of assets, the maintenance operations to be performed, the frequency of these operations, and the persons qualified to perform them. Now, we can consequently plan maintenance over the long term for all of the system's assets. So let's identify the two types of maintenance: preventive maintenance and remedial maintenance. Preventive maintenance is an anticipatory maintenance. It consists of carrying out regular checks on assets, ranging from a simple visual check to operations requiring the asset to be dismantled. Now, the objective is to avoid an eventual breakdown which could seriously damage the system. Now, remedial maintenance is active maintenance. It consists of going into the field in order to repair or renew an asset when a failure is detected. So, let's see how to establish this maintenance plan. Now, first of all, it is necessary to draw up a comprehensive list of the assets along with an analysis of risks and of their condition. Now, the first stage in drafting a maintenance plan consists of selecting assets or sets of assets to which preventive maintenance is applied. Now, the second stage consists of listing the nature and frequency of the maintenance operations to be performed for every asset. For this, it is necessary to take account of supplier recommendations, feedback following the operation of identical equipment in similar conditions, and the real condition of facilities. Now, it is therefore useful to monitor the deterioration of assets, detecting the first signs of a failure with the help of a vibration analysis, for example, or following the detection of an abnormal sound. The time interval between the detection of a defect and a failure is represented by curves setting out the probability to failure. Preventive maintenance interventions are often accompanied by obligatory regulatory checks which need to be included in the maintenance plan. It is necessary to keep in mind that it can be relevant to servo control maintenance operations to take account of an asset's real operating time. Now, let's take the example of a pump. Now, it is obvious that a pump which is in operation 24 hours per day will require more maintenance than a pump which is only in operation for 4 hours a day. Now, the third stage is to associate the most qualified person or persons with the maintenance operation to be performed, taking account of possible accreditations which are necessary to perform the intervention. So let's go back over what we've just learned. Now, a maintenance plan is a document which, for every asset, lists the preventive maintenance actions to be carried out, their frequency of performance, and the persons qualified to carry them out.